drop by drop. Besides Jaisalmer, many places in Rajasthan get very little rainfall. Here it rains for only a few days in the entire year. Sometimes not even that much. The rivers here do not have water all around the year. And yet, most of the villages in these areas did not have a shortage of water because people knew that every drop of water is precious. Lakes and johars are made to collect water. Water was everyone's need. Johar means the pool made by the men to collect rainwater. Water was everyone's need, so one and all came together in this work, be it a businessman or a laborer. Some water from the lake soaked into the ground and reached the well and bodies mean or step well. The soil of the area also became wet and fertile. Do you know what is the meaning of Bauli? So Bauli is also a well. The bodies is also a well, but there are steps in all around the well. That is so the people go under the well and do their work. That is called bodies. Every house had a system to collect the rainwater. Look at the picture on your right. How do you think the rainwater that falls on the roof will reach the underground tank? Draw a path. Are you watching? This is a house. The rainwater is collecting on the roof and that is coming by the pipe underground. And the woman is using the water that she has collected from the rain. Rainwater that falls on the roof will reach the underground tank. Draw a path. Have you ever seen a step well? Look at the picture. Can you imagine by looking at the picture that the step go down several stories deep? This is a step well and this is the stories 1 2 3 4 several stories deep. Instead of drawing the water up from the well, the people could go down the step and reach the water. That is why they are called step wells. This was the first part of the explanation of your chapter. So listen the explanation properly. We will meet in chapter second part of the chapter. Good day.